and welcome to your IELTS review video. In today's episode we're talking about cities, so let's get started. Which city would you like to revisit? You could say, a city I would like to go back to is Paris. Or, there's a city that's captured my heart, and that's Paris. When did you travel to that city? I visited Paris a couple of years ago. Or, my journey to Paris took place a few years back. What activities did you engage in during your visit? During my stay, I explored famous landmarks and tasted local cuisine. Or, I immersed myself in the culture by visiting iconic sites and indulging in authentic cuisine. Why did you have such a positive impression of the city? The city's charming atmosphere and rich history left a strong impression on me. Or the combination of its enchanting ambiance and deep-rooted history creating a lasting impact on my memory. Okay, that's all the questions so far. Next up is our reading passage. Please read along with me. Paris is steeped in history, with landmarks like the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and Notre Dame Cathedral standing as testaments to its enduring legacy. The city's historical significance is palpable as visitors wander through its cobblestone streets, each corner telling a story of centuries gone by. The Louvre, one of the world's largest art museums, houses an extensive collection of art and artifacts that span various cultures and epochs. Art enthusiasts can revel in galleries and studios showcasing works from classic to contemporary, while architecture aficionados can marvel at the iconic landmarks that define the city's skyline. The artistic atmosphere of Paris is palpable everywhere you go, from the intricate designs of post-millennium buildings to the bohemian spirit of Montmartre. The city provides a visual feast for the eyes. Paris is renowned for its culinary excellence, with a plethora of bistros, cafes, and Michelin-starred restaurants to choose from. From buttery croissants to exquisite macaroons, the city offers an array of delectable delights that cater to all tastes. Strolling through local markets and savoring traditional French cuisine becomes a culinary experience in itself. The allure of Paris as a romantic destination is undeniable. The Seine River, adorned with picturesque bridges, provides the perfect backdrop for romantic strolls. Couples can enjoy leisurely boat rides and watch the sunset over the iconic landmarks, creating unforgettable memories. This blend of old and new gives the city a dynamic energy that appeals to a diverse range of visitors. While Paris boasts a rich historical and cultural heritage, it also embraces modernity with open arms. Bustling neighborhoods like La Marie showcase a vibrant mix of trendy boutiques, contemporary art galleries, and innovative culinary concepts. Okay, I hope you found that enjoyable. Next up is our range of vocabulary expressions. Take a look, maybe some of these could be incorporated into your English. Iconic destination, rich history, global metropolis, captivating charm. Landmarks, enduring legacy, cobblestone streets, testaments to history. Visual feast, architectural marvels, skyline defining, iconic landmarks. Savoring traditional cuisine, bistros and cafes, delectable delights, culinary experience. Picturesque bridges, perfected backdrop, romantic strolls, sunset over landmarks. Trendy boutiques, contemporary art galleries, innovative culinary concepts, dynamic energy. Enchanting destination, timeless allure, immersive allure, and beckon travelers. Okay, and lastly we have some paraphrasing exercises. Have a go at trying to put some of these into your own words at home. Which city have you been to and wish to revisit? During what time did you go to that city? What did you do when you were there? And why did you like the city? In statements, we have, I'd like to revisit Paris using its captivating allure. Or, during the past summer, I visited to discover its renowned landmarks. The memoirs of Parisian cuisine have stayed with me. And the city harmoniously combines its history with modernity. and lastly, descriptions, which you're on your own for. Thank you as always for listening. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.